Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'll be doing a video here. I'll be reviewing Toolbox. And as you can tell, I'm using it. Not much has changed. Hopefully, you guys use this app. So yeah. That's it. There's so many items mod right here. So this is where the commands are. You can turn it to creative or survival. Hold up. I'm back. See, it's in survival, and also gator fly. Be careful though. Because if you're high, then you go slow, but if you fly back down, it will kill you. Or you can also show you the mob's health. You can check anything you want. Alright. You could change it to the overworld. Overworld means the regular one. Put it as another. Mark this as checkpoint. Oh yeah, the steeped means a checkpoint. You just put a random. I should put this. Oh yeah. And I usually put the picture. But now it doesn't. Oh. And now this might. It might, but not for me. It's really close. Other thing is that you gotta kill yourself. That's where I spawned. You gotta kill yourself. You gotta heal. You gotta set your health. Oh yeah, that's my skin now. It's pristine. And then you gotta restore your hunger. You gotta teleport. Oh, didn't work. Teleport. Let's go somewhere else. Then let's see if it works. Stand right here. I think it would teleport back to your spawn. Respawned. Yep. Those things are good for doing a world. If you lost your spawn. Oh, there we go. And then okay. This is the only thing that they added in 2.15.0. And yeah, when they first updated it, was only the keep inventory button. So everything else is still the same. I don't know, it would work for the servers too. But if you want, I'm gonna show you guys that too. Okay, and then so yeah, it has this. You gotta edit this. You gotta move your X-ray, the scene. See, it covers my plus. There you go. And also get a spawn mob. They spawn in a villager. Okay, so you click on it, then just click on the ground. Right there it says exit spawn mode. What it means is that you get a you click on it, then if it's up on the ground, it won't spawn anything. This fires mobs. It means that it will burn them up. Watch. So let me show you on this villager that exploded. No. Fire. Or it just automatically disappears. Oh yeah, so you get a kill, set health, watch. Spawn in a a horse. Okay, just spawn into, and maybe once you kill them, you press any of these, and then you gotta kill them whichever you want. Which way? Okay. Let's put any of these. Lightning bolt. What? Come. Wait. I think it's because it's in peaceful. Right. Let's do that. And I'm just click any of these. Lightning bolt. What? Just click all. There you go. So this pen will set health. But I don't think it will do anything. Watch, they just start a cow. Start every cow. There we go. Then let's put mom's cow. Then let's put it up to 100. Just imagine. Never mind. Wait, it's gonna take them a long time. Yeah. It will. So that means it will work for any mod too. So yeah, I think you guys know what this does. Okay. Yeah, you know what this, but tree captor. Tree captor is when you get an axe, and it will automatically destroy it. Watch. This demonstrate on this big tree. Don't you get all the wood? Even some of it that's close, it will cut down the leaves. Be like right here. But if you start from the top, it won't destroy anything. Okay, so the armor status will show this, and the armor will also show you the item that you have in your hand that you're wearing. Watch. See, now that you remove, but it removes the stuff you don't want. You jump, but it will enchant stuff you want. Well, I did exactly see almost the same thing. Alright, so show damage in indicators. That means that it would show this, the health that the animal has. But if it, let's put it up to. Oh, yeah. So what it does, it would show the health. And we just take it off. We turn this on. Oh, see, it wouldn't show it. Oh yeah, debug info. It would be exactly like in PC, but with this. So yeah. Now let's put it. Now let's go into server. And people would say call me a noob because they would say hackers are noobs or stuff like that. I didn't know that. I'm not gonna show you that world. That's my teammate world. Okay, let's click done. Okay, just click on my favorite thing. Incubators. Oh yeah, gotta sign in. Slash. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna show you guys my password. Okay, there we go. I'm done with the password. Alright, now let's put this. No. No! Curse. Anyways, I have a newbie skin. So don't judge. Don't judge. It's only for starting, okay? Bro, you call me fake. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not even chatting. Hate chatting. Oh, I want to do a video on PC, like Minecraft. Hopefully when I get older. Hopefully I'm gonna do a Roblox video later on. Okay. Hard. Oh my. Okay. I know. I don't. Can't talk. I know I did hard. I don't know why. But this is gonna be. Oh no! There. Just do the slash lobby. Do that again. But that I had to do that. Why? The what? What the heck? Okay. Okay, there we go. Going into a game. Alright. Let's click local. Okay, let's get our game speed ready. Alright, so we're gonna leave it like that. We have the Archer kit. Archer kit! Alright, let's get him when the game starts. Gonna pause the video until the game starts. Alright, you guys, this game has started. Let's get our speed hack on. Someone's gonna battle. Wait, is it just me? No, okay, thank God. It would work, but not the. But for me, if I fly, it's gonna send me back to spawn. And people are like, oh, where the hell is he? And then they're gonna quit. Then I'm like, LOL, which means laugh out loud. No, you ain't gonna shoot me, bruh, or else I'll shoot you back. Don't make me. Don't make me. I'm a speed hacker here. Yeah. I suck at PvP. No, I'm just kidding. I'm an OP guy. Better than regular. Yeah, it's 2v1. Come on. No, I don't have god hacks, okay? I wish I did. There we go. Bear! Get shit off. Dude, I suck. Oh, you think I can hide? No, wish you that. No. But oh, guys, I enjoyed this video, and I'll see